Look at this. So yummy. Chicken porridge. Like so nutritious and so good. Hi everyone. Today we're going to make Dakjuk, chicken porridge. And this is number 3 episode from whole chicken series. So you check out other episode too. Let's make it. Follow me. Ingredient for chicken porridge: shredded chicken and rice. Soak it in the water. At least 30 minutes before cooking, you have to soak it in the water. And some chopped veggie, salt, sesame oil, and chicken broth. This chicken broth is, I have a recipe. So click this link here to get that recipe for the chicken broth. So for the chicken porridge, you have to stir fry the rice before you make a porridge. But if you are continuous watcher from the chicken dakjuk, you can just put the cooked rice. But for independent dish for chicken porridge, you need to stir fry the rice. That's the best way to make a porridge. Every porridge, if you have a time, instead of just steamed rice, you stir fry it. With low heat, of course, the sesame oil burns so easily. This is only 1 serving, so 3 tablespoons. So if you use 1 cup of uncooked rice, it will make a nice porridge for 5 servings. Okay, so once you're done, you pour the chicken broth. I forgot to tell you how much broth. We're going to use 2 cups of broth for 3 tablespoons, which is 1 serving porridge. It gets boiling, I'll add all veggie. Actually, it's up to your choice. Some people really like it just with the chicken broth and the rice. And rice you can use also sticky rice. Okay. And I will add some shredded chicken too. Not so much because it's only 1 serving. Yeah, like this. Okay. And since it's a porridge, you stir time to time, alright? Once it gets boiling like this, with everything in it, you lower the heat. Alright. Look at this. So yummy. Chicken porridge. Like so nutritious and so good. No need to actually add veggie if you don't want it. Just broth and the chicken itself is so good. Alright? Let's taste it. So today Dakjuk was so a success. If you're watching from the previous episode, make so much broth so you can enjoy cooking this one. Alright? Okay, thank you for your support.